Hey, what's going on, Pro Cutters? As you can see, I'm back at the Four Season room job, and I've got a couple of sheets of sheetrock up, got 2 window holes cut out, still got to cut out that one, and I'm getting ready to put up the bottom sheet of sheetrock there. The tool I forgot yesterday was my oscillating tool, and these come in real handy when you're doing sheetrock. Stay tuned. So I thought you might want to know how to load a collated screw gun. It's got a track, and you slide the screws into the track and then up into the front here, and then you'll notice there's two empty slots, and you want to pull it in to the second empty slot, and so the next one is a screw. And that's all there is to it. All right, guys, so I've got that side of the door sheetrocked, the ceiling sheetrocked, the window wall, and that wall is sheetrocked. And I started doing some of the spackle, but I ran out of mesh tape, and I don't feel like using paper tape on this one, except in the corners. So I'm gonna pick up some mesh tape for tomorrow. And then I still lack running the power so I can sheetrock that wall there. So yeah, so I'm cleaned up and ready to head out for the day. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.